How to fix FiveM errors and crashes. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix most of the crashes and errors that's going on with your FiveM application. Now, you simply want to head over to the FiveM application right here. Right click the application, and once inside, you can then go ahead and see the show more options button. From here, you want to click on Properties. Inside Properties, you want to navigate through Compatibility menu. From here, we are then going to edit some of the options right here in order to fix some problems that's going on with the application. Now, you want to make sure that the Run this program as administrator is turned on. Click on Apply. And you also want to make sure that Disable Full Screen Optimization is turned off. Now, sometimes Windows will go ahead and edit some of the application settings in order for it to be optimized on full screen. But in our case, it can cause crashes and errors. So you want to disable this setting right here. Click on Apply, and you can just go ahead and see for yourself if this fixes the problem. If not, you want to head back to the compatibility settings, click on Run this program in compatibility mode, and you want to select Windows 8, click on Apply, and once again, try out the FiveM application. Now, if this doesn't work, you can just go ahead and uninstall the program by heading over to your Windows startup. From here, you want to search for Add or Remove Programs. Go ahead and search FiveM, and you want to completely uninstall the application. Right after uninstalling the application, head back to the FiveM website. From here, you can just go ahead and download a fresh copy of FiveM because maybe some of the files that we have downloaded have gone corrupted or have some errors on the game files itself. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.